Hey there, this is Veeresh Halli, and today I would like to give a video demonstration of my project called Blog. Blog is a web application built using Django as backend web framework, HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, and Chart.js as frontend. Blog web application behaves differently for different users. They can be categorized as viewers, authors, and admins. Okay, now I will run the server by typing python manage.py run server, python manage.py run server. Okay, the server has started now. I will go to Google, type http. Okay, this is how the user interface looks for a viewer, and these are the blogs, and a viewer can go to any of the blog and he can view the blogs. And this is a second blog written by Sachin, and this is the published date and this is the updated date. And viewer can go to authors and he can find all the authors at one particular place, and he can go to his favorite author, and viewer can find all his favorite authors in one particular place, and he can view the author blogs by going through the authors page. Okay, we have seen how interface looks for a viewer. Now we will see how the interface looks for an author. Okay, I will go to login and log in as an author. By the way, Sachin is an author. Okay, this is how the author dashboard looks like. On the left hand side I have author's name, total his blogs, and a blog contribution chart, and we have a create blog button over here, and at the center we have all Sachin's blog here with the edit and delete option button. Okay, now we will create a blog for Sachin, and we will see how everything changes dynamically with the data. Okay, I will click on create button and I will give a title as Sachin's third blog. This is third blog text area, and I will post the blog. Okay, here it is showing Sachin's third blog, and this is the published date and this is the edited date, and here we can see the total blogs are 3, and the red portion has changed now, and here it is also showing Sachin has 3 posts, and I can edit this blog, and this is edited successfully, and I can update the blog, and I can go to home and I can see the edited part. Yeah, this is edited successfully, and published at this time and updated at this time. I'll go to dashboard. Okay, now I will see how we can delete his data, and if we can click on delete, it will ask, are you sure want to delete my first blog? And if we say delete, okay, this is deleted now. My Sachin's my first blog has deleted now. Okay, we have seen how to create blog, edit blog, and delete a blog. Now we will see how this chart dynamically changes with the different author blog posts. Okay, now I will go to Mozilla. I will log in as Santosh now. Okay, I will run the same blog. Okay, now I will log in as Santosh this time. He is also an author and is Santosh password. Okay, this is how the Santosh dashboard looks like, and he has total 3 blogs, and this is his chart. It is showing 3 and all his blogs. Okay, now I will create a blog for Santosh now. Title for the blog text area. Okay, I will post the blog. Okay, now he has total 4 blogs. Now it is showing 4. Now it changed for Santosh, and it should also be changed for Sachin, right? Okay, now we will go to Sachin and refresh the page. Okay, the have you seen this red portion has decreased now because Santosh has posted now. Okay, this chart is dependent on total post and number of posts a particular author. So yeah, this is how it is dynamically changes for the different author blog posts. Okay, we have seen everything about the blog and its chart, and now we will see how the interface looks for an admin. Okay, now I will go to Explorer and log in as an admin. Okay, admin v is an admin. Okay, this is how the interface looks for an admin. This is pretty much same as the author's admin, and he has 0 blogs and total contribution is 0. And if we go to home, this is where everything changes here. Okay, let me cancel this. Okay, this is where the blogs and an admin can view the blog, and here he has a delete button. If he thinks uh, this blog is inappropriate, he can delete the blog. Before deleting the blog, let me minimize everything. Okay, this should be center. Okay, author Santosh, this should be center, and this would be this. Am I doing this because I want to show if I delete a blog how this chart changes with the dynamic data. Now I will delete spicy dishes blog written by Santosh. When I click on delete blog, it will ask, are you sure want to delete spicy dishes blog? If I say yes, okay, everything changed. Now I will go to home. Now that spicy dishes blog is nowhere here in the home button. Now if I refresh this page, now Santosh has only 3 blogs right now, and this chart has also changed. Now if I click on searching, now the chart has also changed. Yeah, this is all about the project blog, guys. If you feel this project interesting, please hit a like button and share as much as you can. Thanks for watching.